If you're thinking there has to be more to your farm than just 3 letters, it's because there is. At Ecdysis, we go beyond standard soil testing to capture the complexity of your farm's ecosystem. Ecdysis Foundation is a nonprofit South Dakota-based organization dedicated to conducting grower-focused independent research about how regenerative agriculture benefits farmers, rural communities, and the environment. Through our 1,000 Farms initiative, our team has sampled over 2,000 farms across the country to understand how different management practices affect the health of the farm ecosystem. Our research has always been farmer-centered, but we couldn't ignore how science can bring farmers together in their communities. That's why we started Project Avalanche. With the idea that one pebble can start an avalanche of change, Project Avalanche empowers farmers to take science into their own hands, training them to monitor their land's ecosystem while organizing regional farmer groups to interpret and discuss the data collected. As a part of Project Avalanche, Ecdysis will provide 4 key elements for successful monitoring: tools and training to measure the farm, data to determine areas to improve, and a community to support farmers reaching their goals. As an Avalanche participant, you will engage in 3 main components of the program: the field day training, the sample collection, and the results interpretation workshop. The field training will be a half-day session where you will meet other farmers in your regional group and learn how to measure soil health, water infiltration, and the plant, insect, and bird communities. Ecdysis will provide hands-on training, monitoring equipment, training manuals, and instructional videos covering all sampling techniques. After training, you will conduct the sampling on your own farm using the equipment and instructional materials provided by Ecdysis. This typically takes 2 to 6 hours depending on various factors such as soil conditions and the number of people helping. After collection, you will mail your samples to Ecdysis and at the end of the growing season, answer a 30-minute survey about your management practices. Once processing and analysis of the samples are complete, you will access your farm's data through an online grower portal. This unique platform provides a detailed profile of your farm's ecosystem. Not only will you receive standard soil chemistry and health test results, but your grower portal will also provide comprehensive information about your microbial community, the insects you collected, each bird species identified, and more. Ecdysis helps you measure and observe these biodiversity markers so you can use them as guideposts as you try new things on your farm. After receiving your results, you will meet with your regional farmer group and an Ecdysis team member to walk through the information on the grower portal. By interpreting and understanding the results together, we hope you will support others in your community as you use your data to guide future management decisions. At Ecdysis, we envision a world where producers and scientists work side by side to regenerate the vitality of our farms, ecosystems, and communities. This isn't your average sampling job, and it's definitely not your typical scientific team. If we want systems to work differently, we need to start doing things differently. You can help drive this change by better understanding your farm ecosystem as a participant in Project Avalanche.